Hey, what's going on guys? First Tech Up here. This is my unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy A30. But before I begin, please kindly click on that subscribe button to join this awesome family. And turn on your bell notification so you won't miss out on my future video. The Samsung Galaxy A30 comes in a similar package like the A50 I reviewed. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description below. When you open the box, the device is presented on top, inside a plastic shell that houses basic specs about the phone. Next is a small box that contains the warranty card, the quick start guide, and a transparent plastic case to help protect your device. You get a USB Type-C charging cable, a 10-watt charger that supports adaptive fast charging, and lastly a SIM ejector tool that is stuck underneath the box. So back to the device, it looks and feels good. It looks exactly like the A50, which itself was an awesome device. It feels like it and it is amazing. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rockers. On the left side, we've got the SIM slots that houses 2 nano SIM with a micro SD card. At the bottom, we've got the headphone jack, a USB Type-C charging port, a microphone hole and the speaker grill. On top is another microphone hole. Then at the back, we've got the dual camera setup with a single flash, a fingerprint scanner and the Samsung branding. In front is a stunning 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Infinity U display. Then on top of that U display houses a selfie camera. Speaking of display, it is a Super AMOLED display at 1080 by 2340p resolution with a screen to body ratio of 84.9 and a 403 pixels per inch density. It is super sharp with good viewing angles, vivid colors, rich blacks. Whatever you do on this display is enjoyable, be it gaming or watching YouTube videos, and no limitations on screen resolution when watching YouTube videos here. On the spec sheet, we've got a 4GB of RAM, Exynos 7904 octa-core CPU that is clocked at 1.8 GHz for the first 2 cores and 1.6 GHz for the remaining 6 cores, a 64GB of internal storage and a 4000 mAh battery. Performance on this guy is good. It runs very smooth, app launches very quick, switching between apps has no issues at all, and general multitasking is a breeze, though you might notice some form of delay when browsing the web or playing heavy games. Other than that, performance is okay. The Samsung Galaxy A30 runs on Android version 9 Pie with a custom One UI from Samsung, and it is backed with so many features. There is a curated news feed when you swipe from the left on the home screen. Night mode is on board, which pretty much looks like dark mode. I like the card style setting interface. IK or blue light filter is present. Ability to change navigation buttons from buttons to full screen gestures. And pretty much everything that One UI has to offer is amazing. The fingerprint scanner on the A30 is very fast and reliable. The first unlock feature is present but not as fast as the fingerprint, so I find myself shifting towards the fingerprint scanner. The 4000 mAh battery is capable of lasting for a full day use. During my time with it, I never had any need to go look for a charger, and it was consistent in that behavior. So let's move to the area that interests people the most, the camera. The A30 has a dual rear camera, which is a 16+5 megapixels camera. One is the main sensor and the other is an ultra wide angle lens. Then in front you have the 16 megapixel selfie camera. The camera interface looks familiar and it appears minimal at best. Most features are packed deep in sub-menus. If you're a pro user, there's a pro mode available for you to tweak to your liking. The 16 megapixels camera takes excellent looking images and the wide angle lens does its jobs pretty well. The images comes out very sharp with good amount of details, colors with decent, and HDR is on point too. The overall images it produces is pleasing to look at. Though it's not the best camera on a phone out there, I bet you'll be so pleased with what it offers. What's up guys? It's quite sunny, so this is what it looks like to shoot a video using the front facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy A30. Quite impressive. As you can see here, the HDR is really keeping up well. I like the color reproduction. Quite nice. It is a phone with one of the best video on any budget smartphone out there. The rear camera shoots video in 1080p resolution and it does it very well. Colors reproduction is decent, HDR is done right too. The only problem I have with it is stability. There is no EIS or OIS available. Other than that, it is very okay. The A series smartphone from Samsung offers a lot for less money. The A30 retails for 73,000 Naira on Jumia Nigeria, and it is well worth it. If you are interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. With its excellent features and a decent performance, good camera and a solid name to back it up for future updates, it is an easy recommendation for anyone who wants something good without breaking the bank. Alright, that is it guys. Do let me know what you think about this device in the comment section below. Share your thoughts with me, like and share this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.